My dear honors fourth year students, in my last lecture I had finished Phaedra. I would like today to deliver my lecture on Medea. You know, Phaedra, Medea, all are classic literature, and they are also Greek literature. Medea is an ancient Greek tragedy written by Euripides. It is based upon the myth of Jason and Medea and first produced in 431 BC. The plot centered on the actions of Medea, a former princess of the barbarian kingdom of Colchis, and the wife of Jason. The play of Euripides has been explored and interpreted by playwrights across the centuries and the world in a variety of ways. The play offered political, psychometrical, psychoanalytical, feminist, among many other original readings of Medea. Jason and the core themes of the play. Medea earned third prize in the city Dionysia, and some believe that this indicates a poor reception. The play was rediscovered with Rome's Augustan drama again in the 16th century. Then the remained part of tragic repertoire, becoming a classic of the Western canon, and the most frequently performed Greek tragedy in the 20th century. It also experienced renewed interest in the feminist movement of the late 20th century. The play holds the American Theatre Wing's Tony Award for most wins for the same female lead character. In the 4th century BC, South Italian vase painting offers a number of Medea representations that are connected to Euripides' play. The most famous in a crater in Munich. However, these representations always differ considerably from the plots of the play or are too general to support any direct link to Euripides' play. But the violent and powerful character of Medea and her double nature, both loving and destructive, became a standard for later periods of antiquity and seems to have inspired numerous adaptations. My dear girls, now I will discuss the form of the play. You will get different picture from other Greek tragedy. The form of the play differs from many other Greek tragedies by its simplicity. Most scenes involve only Medea and someone else. The chorus, here representing the women of Corinth, is usually involved alongside them. The simple encounters highlight Medea's skill and determination in manipulating powerful male figures. The play also the only Greek tragedy in which a king killer makes it unpunished to the end of the play. I am repeating, please follow. The play also is the only Greek tragedy in which a king killer makes it unpunished to the end of the play. It is the only one about child killing in which the deed is performed in cold blood as opposed to in a state of temporary madness. The art of characterization of Euripides of Medea exhibits the inner emotions of passions, love, and vengeance. The character of Medea has variously been interpreted as either fulfilling her role of mother and wife, and as acting as a pro-patro-feminist. Feminist readings have interpreted the play as either a sympathetic exploration of the disadvantages of being a woman in a patriarchal, misogynist attitudes, in conflict with this sympathetic undertone is Medea's barbarian identity, which would antagonize a 5th century BC Greek audience. My dear students, no more today. In my next lecture, I will start textbook with another information. Thank you very much.